everyone, I am Shine Gupta and this is DevFlowFix, our hackathon project. Every cloud engineer knows the struggle. You are building something impactful and then deploying fails, GitHub action errors, Argo CD sync stall, pod crashes, and hours vanishes into just debugging, pulling you away from your real progress. So, DevFlowFix changes that. It's an intelligent AI assistant that activates the moment a failure occurs. Using NVIDIA Llama NIM on AWS SageMaker, it instantly analyzes logs powered by NVIDIA embedding models, it searches a vector database of past incidents, your team's institutional memory, and delivers precise fixes often, auto-applying them in seconds, from hours to moments. Now, here comes our future vision. Not a future, in just few days, I will integrate this. And here's what next. Slack integrations are upcoming features. Imagine this, a deployment fails and DevFlowFix not only scans logs and past fixes, it dives into your team's Slack conversation. It finds the real, exact thread where a colleague solved it in the past quarter. Extract the commands, validates it, and applies it, all without you leaving your flow. No more context switching, no more on the Slack messages. Has anyone seen this before? Just instant, contextual, and team-powered resolution. Now, built on AWS NVIDIA NIM, DevFlowFix is evolving into the ultimate co-pilot for cloud engineers, making deployment reliable, repeatable, and fun again. Now, we will move forwards to look how this DevFlowFix is a cursor for cloud engineers. So, this is the main GitHub repository and this is the testing repository. Now, at first, we run the AWS configure command to configure the AWS account in the CLI. Now, we will run the deployment script. It asks for GitHub token, NVIDIA NIM API key, GitHub repository name, and webhook secret. It will also ask about the Slack API and the channel name, but that's a future update. The script creates all AWS infrastructure, S3, SageMaker, NVIDIA models, and ask. It outputs a webhook URL that will be added in the GitHub repository settings under webhook. Now we are ready. We will take the target repository in which we have added the webhook URL and let's break something. I will make an error by adding int in string and push the code. As soon as the GitHub action is finished, now run the AWS log command which will show the logs about what we are doing, and you can also look the clouds in the CloudWatch logs for all the logs. DevFlowFix detects the failure. You will see the logs are populated. Llama analyzes the logs and identifies the root causes, and it automatically creates a pull request with a fix. The merge request shows what's wrong in the file and why there was an error, then fix the error in the file. We will be integrating the Slack in future, so it can go through the chats of the engineers and developers to see if it can find any error there. If yes, it will get the solution and fix the error and also notify the developers whose account has been tagged as the people who can look at the solution. It will work for as a notification message in the Slack. This is our future integration and hope you will enjoy it and like this.